Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a jammed Taurus. First, prioritize safety by always pointing the firearm in a safe direction. Before you do anything else, remove the magazine. Then, visually inspect the chamber to confirm it is completely empty. This crucial first step prevents accidental discharge and ensures a safe environment for clearing the jam. Always double-check your surroundings. Jams often fall into categories like failure to feed, extract, or eject. A common first response is the tap, rack, and assess drill, but only if it's safe. Tap the magazine to ensure it's seated, rack the slide firmly, and then assess if the jam is cleared. Also, carefully check for any visible obstructions within the barrel or chamber, as these can cause significant issues. To clear a stovepipe jam, simply sweep the spent casing out of the ejection port with your hand. For a more complex double feed, lock the slide back, remove the magazine, and then clear both rounds. If a casing is stuck in the chamber, use a cleaning rod from the muzzle end to gently push it out. Always be gentle to avoid damaging the firearm. Preventing jams is often easier than fixing them. Regular cleaning and proper lubrication are essential for smooth operation. Always use high-quality, reliable ammunition, as cheap or old rounds can often cause feeding issues. Periodically inspect your magazines for any damage or worn springs, as these are common culprits for feeding problems. Proper maintenance significantly reduces jam frequency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.